In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write reviews and rate places in Google Maps. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone or go to Google Maps on your computer. Next, search for the place you want to review and tap, or click to open its details page. Once the place opens, scroll down until you see the reviews section. Tap Write a Review and choose a star rating from 1 to 5 stars based on your experience. After that, you can type your review, add photos if you want, and share details about your visit to help other users. You can also edit your review later if you want to update your experience or add new information. When you're done, tap Post or Submit to publish a review. Your review will then appear on the place's Google Maps profile and can help others decide whether to visit. This helps improve local recommendations for everyone using Google Maps. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to write reviews and rate places in Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.